Hey there, and welcome back to CompareInternet.com. We're here to give you the straight talk on the best internet deals. Today, we're going to review Kinetic by Windstream, a national provider of fiber internet and DSL. We're going to go over availability, pricing, speeds, reliability, equipment, and customer experience. Let's start with availability. Windstream is the 11th largest internet provider in the US and serves the South, Midwest, and North Central regions. They also cover parts of New York and Pennsylvania. Though Kinetic offers both lightning-fast fiber and slower DSL, Kinetic's DSL tends to be faster than average. So let's look at Kinetic's pricing. Kinetic's prices for plans will vary by your location, which makes it harder to know what you'll get. You can enter your zip code on CompareInternet.com to get more specifics. But in general, Kinetic's prices are on the low side for fiber. They're about average for DSL. You won't have data caps or required contracts with Kinetic, so you'll not face unexpected overages. Overall, we give Kinetic 4 stars for pricing. DSL pricing can vary and is less consistent than we like, but Kinetic offers low, competitive pricing for fiber. Let's move on to reliability and performance. Kinetic Fiber will provide ample speed for any home internet user. You can get speeds up to 2 gigs and even a stunning 8 gigs in a few markets. So game away, because that is a lot of bandwidth. In fact, 8 gigs is more than most of us need right now, but at least you know it's available when you need it. Kinetic DSL is a little different. Yes, it's slower than fiber, but it's faster than most other DSL companies. Over 65% of their DSL customers get download speeds of 100 megabits per second or higher. That's pretty impressive for DSL. It's about 10 times faster than the typical DSL download speeds. So we give Kinetic by Windstream 4 stars for reliability and performance. If you're in the lucky 20% who can get fiber, you're golden. But even Kinetic DSL is way above typical DSL speeds. So consider the DSL also, depending on what else you have in your area, of course. So how does Kinetic rate for equipment and installation? Installation for Kinetic is free, but there's a $60 activation fee. However, there are lots of credits and promotions that mean that often your activation fee is waived or offset. In other words, free. And even though there's an equipment rental fee, you're allowed to use your own modem or router if you so choose. So we give Kinetic 4 stars for flexible options on equipment and activation fees. Our next rating category is customer support. Though Kinetic doesn't have the highest customer satisfaction ratings, it has improved significantly over the past 2 years. It could be that Kinetic's fiber build-out is increasing customer happiness. But whatever the reason, Kinetic's top 3 ranking in the South region means you'll probably be happy you ordered their plan. So we give Kinetic 4 stars for customer satisfaction. Here's a recap of what you'll get with a Kinetic internet plan. Kinetic earns a strong overall rating of 4 stars. Their fiber internet will give you the premium speed and reliability that only comes from dedicated fiber. Even their DSL is likely to give you the best DSL speed possible. Just remember that the speed will be a lot slower than fiber, and even though Kinetic's DSL is much better on average than most other providers, it's still going to vary by your location. So pay attention to the plan details. To find out if Kinetic covers your area, visit our website at CompareInternet.com. We have detailed plans and pricings to help you find the best internet provider for your household. And that's the straight talk on Kinetic by Windstream. Come back and see us for more reviews here at CompareInternet.com. See you soon.